What's up everyone? Today I wanted to show you how to properly add tension to your cable equipment. My name is Pedro, I'm the owner of Gymstallations.com and we have been servicing fitness equipment for over 10 years. So the reason why you might want to add tension to your cable is because after using the equipment for some time, the cable gets stretched out. Of course, that is just going to affect your performance and the usage of the equipment. The way how you fix that is going back here with this bolt. We're just going to pull the bolt up. That is going to add tension, and as you can see, this is how the end of the cable looks, and this is going to be the factory set. This is the way how the machine should be performing every single time, and this is the way how it is right now. We're going to fix that right away. So first of all, we're going to be loosening these two bolts that right now are squishing this section of the glide. The way we're going to do it is we're going to add one of our wrench at the top and one at the bottom. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. And once that's done, what we want to add is a little spacing at the bottom. So this is the nut that we're going to be turning. We're going to run it all the way to the bottom because that's the way how we're going to add tension to the cable. And as you can see, if we move it up, that's how we add the tension. That's the reason why we wanted to move the nut all the way down here. Now, holding the cable this way, we're just going to keep running it all the way. And that way we're going to have full tension, and then this nut right here, we're just going to run it all the way to the bottom, and then our equipment is going to have perfect tension. Perfect guys, so now we've added the perfect tension on this machine. It is back to the factory setting and it is ready to go. And that was the step-by-step on how to add the proper tension on your cable machine. If you want to see any other equipment, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.